Well, hey everybody, out here working on my travel trailer here today, getting it cleaned up, getting it ship shape. I rolled out the awning here and I noticed it had a lot of mold and mildew on it, so I figured I better get that cleaned up. But picked up some of this product here, Miracle Mist. Sprayed it on there, and this is instant mildew cleaner. Sprayed it on there, and yeah, it did the trick. Cleaned the mold and right off there. I took my pressure washer and gave it a shot with clean water to finish it off. But here, take a look. I didn't take a shot of before, but here's an after shot. It whitened it right back up, just like it was new again. So yeah, this stuff here did the trick. Oh, one other thing, spray that on. You might want to wear a shirt you don't care about. This purple shirt looks like a tie-dye t-shirt now, so, but oh well. I got tie-dye stuff, so I just got one more t-shirt that is tie-dyed.